Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday, guys, and today we don't really have much of economic news. What you can see there, it's our calendar, and yesterday it was very interesting because we also did smash the market very nice. So we had CPI, core retail sales. Let's say core CPI and core retail sales. So let's check here. So previous month, which was last month, April, the number came out around 0.4%, which was positive. The estimate yesterday, it was 0.3, and exactly the same number, it was 0.3. So for those who don't really understand, yes, this did not really beat or maybe less than expectation, but it was lower than last month. So that shows that it's going a little bit down. So core retail sales, last month it was on 0.9, right? And the expectation or the estimate was 0.2%, and it was 0.2%. Yeah, this around here they did not really miss, but it's quite lower comparing to last month 0.9. This was closer to 1%. So CPI month over month went lower from 0.4 to 0.3. That was good because they were estimating 0.4, and you can compare this. You can see the difference. So last month it was 3.4 on CPI year over year, 3.5. This time is 3.4, which shows that it's going down. So on the retail sales month over month, you can see previously it was 0.6. They were estimating 0.4. Guess what? We are on 0.0. So Kenzo, just because you are explaining about all those things, what those things actually mean in the actual market, that means that inflation is going a little bit lower. And that is a good thing because we've been talking about FOMC or Federal Reserve to cut the rates, and it seems like this now we can see the light at the end of the tunnel, and that is very good because it shows that the numbers are going down, and we will see if maybe next month or when we continue with this month things are going to go down, right? And we did smash the market. So today is Thursday. We can see that we have unemployment claims. Tomorrow we don't really have anything. So unemployment claims, we will see that around 2:30. Remember, we're gonna go on our live session also, so don't forget to smash that notification button. So speaking on eating, while we are on that, let me just show you the signals that we sent, or that I sent actually. So we had Euro USD. This was the last signal that I've sent. We had Euro USD as a buy. You can see that. I also send, sometimes if I have enough time, I also send the structure like this so that you can understand why I say you should buy, right? So let's go. We also had GBP as a buy. You can see the signal here. We also had S&P 500 as a nice buy. We were in very nice profit. Gold in profit. US30, very nice profit. Nasdaq, I no longer talk. It's like nice, right? So I also shared this, I think, in our free group. So yeah, my people were eating. My student also sent me something here. Maybe that will load very quick. It's taking time. I wanted you to see that my people are eating. Okay, it's something like this. Do you see that? I think it was making like 4K or something like that. So that's really good. It's just few of them because I don't really like to share the screenshots in my groups, right? So for those who want to be part of the team, I will be placing my service package, and that service package that you see here on the screen, that's supposed to change, guys. Why? Because the prices are very low, to a point where by 3 signals you already covered everything. So what about the rest of the month? Or maybe let's say maybe you joined 12 months for $99. You can make that within a day or within 2 days or within a week with our signals, and it means 11 months you'll be just eating for free. So which means by the end of this week I'll just try to actually stop with the special, because guys, we deserve it. My people are telling me that, Kenzo, we are eating. And that is good. That is good. And we working. I'm working. I'm always here for you and trying to update you like every day. And this is just free information or free knowledge. It's called they call it like that. free knowledge. Now we are on USD ZAR. What's really happening on USD ZAR? The market did not really move that much, and I was expecting maybe a nice reversal to the upside. As we can see that we are on this nice uptrend structure, I was expecting a nice reversal, but it's not really surprising because we did not really have much from Europe or ZAR as economic news. So the market has been playing around this level, around this area. So that is, we can say that it's a proper support area. If the market breaks out of that, we'll be looking for sell positions. If not, it means we'll be looking for that a nice bullish structure. Do you see that? But at the moment, the market is just playing around. I did draw something like that yesterday, and if the market breaks out of that, it's where we're gonna look for buy above that resistance. But the market has been playing around, so which means we just need to wait for now. We just need to wait for now. So let's push to the next one, which is DXY, dollar index. What's really happening? We saw that the news were not really good for the dollar, and we saw the market starting to go down there. So now it seems like the market is trying to reverse. But yesterday the market went lower and tried to reverse. Later on the market started to go down. I'm expecting that to happen also. You can see that yes, we had a very nice uptrend structure, and around this level it's where the market actually gave us a proper breakout. So what I'm expecting here, I'm expecting to see the market here maybe retesting here and going even lower. Do you see that? I'm expecting that. But someone can say, Kenzo, do you see something on your left hand side around this level here? It seems like the same area, but just for us, just because we want to keep it clean, we can see that, yeah, it makes sense, but it's better for us just to draw something like that. Because now we are on a different trend, we don't really just have to link everything there. So I think this way it's much better. And if maybe the market wants to retest, it will come around this level here, touch that, and go down. So this is going to be our potential support area. If it's broken, it means dollar or DXY, it will be willing to even sell and more. And I think that something's gonna happen because as the news were the news were actually lower, we expecting the rates to go down. And once the rates are going down, it's not really good for the US. So which means it's going to lose that momentum and we will start to see those sells. And that's how I see it. Unless if maybe the market breaks out. So next month we're going to have interest rates. It means we might start to see some changes. We might start to see the market starting to sell. And for the Nasdaq and stuff like that, we might start to see some very nice new highs and stuff like that. So now we are on US oil. What's really happening? We can easily see that the market it's been going up and we had a breakout now. Now we're no longer talking about that uptrend. Now we are on this nice structure and it seems like the market is respecting our resistant line. It means we're expecting the market to go down. This thing can be aggressive. We had a sell yesterday and the market actually reversed. I can say maybe this is the only bad trade that we had yesterday. And even last week we were eating. So actually this week is very, very nice for us. So I'm still expecting maybe the market will be respecting this level. If it respects that, I'm expecting the market to go even lower. So I will be updating everyone. But what I see here is we are on a downtrend structure. We can see that the market might actually continue going down like that. We expect the market to do what? To continue with that trend. But at the moment, let's just relax for now. Let's just relax for now, right? So what's really happening? What's really happening with USD/JPY? The market was going down yesterday after the news. Unfortunately, I did not really see this one. I was going to take that, but guys, sometimes we have to sleep. We have to sleep because we work, right? So I see that the market here. It's still on that nice uptrend. We missed this nice buy here. Yes, I think maybe we can still jump on that. For those who just want to scalp, maybe you can just get out around that level. But for now, I feel like let's not chase the market. It's better to find or to wait for other pairs. I think they will be giving us something. So yes, we are still on that uptrend because the market is respecting this level. So now we have this potential resistance. The market might reach that level and go down, or maybe the market will end up going up. up. Above that area, we also have another resistance. So it's up to us to play it safe here. The market is already moving away from that support area. On Euro JPY, what's really happening? JPY, actually, it's giving us a very nice reversal structure. Sorry. So it's giving us a very nice reversal structure as we are coming from a very nice uptrend. We reached this level as a resistance. So now we just waiting for the market to reach this support area before we go even higher. That's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting that. So for for Euro JPY, we are not actually on any trade, so which means around this level it's going to be interesting for us to look for that buy, unless if maybe the market tries to break out. But at the moment, let's just relax, or maybe the market will end up pushing higher and breaking out of that. That will also be a very nice buy if the market continues to go up as we are on that nice uptrend. Quite similar to JPY, the market is still on that nice uptrend structure, but it seems to be moving away from that resistance. It seems to be going down. Maybe we will reach this nice support so that we can look for that buy. So that can be something else. That can be actually something else. We are on a very nice uptrend, but maybe the market might end up going to the upside. And if that happens, I mean, if maybe we reach this level, we might see the market continuing as this trend has been here for quite some time. So which means we don't really have to confuse ourselves. We are just looking for our buy pending order or bullish momentum. Now we are on Bitcoin. What's really happening on Bitcoin? A very nice structure, by the way. The market has been actually showing us that it's going up. We are on this nice uptrend, but around this level here, the market was just trying to get out of that trend. So now, likely enough, the market is now trying to go higher, but we are still at the highest level, even though the market was trying to show us that it was struggling to go up. You can see from this area, the market is been showing us that it's going down slowly. I thought if maybe we break this support area, maybe we're just going to go even lower, but nope, the market changed that. So it means now we are going to still consider that resisted, but this shows that Bitcoin is quite still on that bullish momentum, right? So let's push to the next one. On the next one, we are actually on Euro USD. What's really happening on Euro USD? We can easily see that, yes, the market has been going down for quite some time. We had a nice breakout there. And yes, we did have a smaller trade there, and the market was in a smaller profit, and I'm still expecting to see the market going up. So let's go closer there and see what happened. Yes, what I like about the market is it did break even before the news. We did have a breakout even before the news. So now it means we're just going to continue like that. Yes, we have a buy there, but a room for a reversal can also work very nice. I think the market will end up going like that. Do you see that? So that's what I see at the moment. I see something like that. I'm expecting to see a continuation of this buy. That's what I see at the moment. I'm expecting a continuation of a very nice buy. A very nice buy can work in our favor as we are already on that bullish move. So this is the start of a trend or a new trend. Remember, we are coming from this downtrend, so now we're expecting to see a nice bullish move. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is Gbpusd. We can see that we also have quite similar structure, quite similar. We also have a nice breakout there. And we also had a buy pending order, which is still floating in a smaller profit, but I'm still expecting to see a very nice push. But what we see here is we are coming from a nice downtrend structure, so which means this is the fresh start. So we will have some crazy moves going further, but what we know is we are now on a downtrend structure, so we will be expecting the higher lows, higher highs, stuff like that going further. So at the moment, we just need to relax. If maybe the market goes up in our favor, we will end up closing that. And as we don't really have enough economic news this week or next week, obviously we will start to see the market trying to give us proper structures. But yes, a reversal can also happen. But just because we expect the dollar, or yes, to cut the rate, the dollar will be quite weak, so which means we can actually expect to see the market going actually up. But even Britain, they also want to cut the rate, so it's just going to be up to the market, because it will depend which rates are higher and which rates are lower. The one which has the higher rates, it means it's gonna be stronger. I hope maybe you understand that. So now we are on Goldie. What's really happening? On gold, if you still remember, while we are on our live session, the market was going very nice. We were around this resistance. The market did go a little bit lower. We had a buy pending order. We even reached our halfway towards our TP, and I hope I told everyone to log or maybe just close your profit, because this move was influenced by the economic news. But at the end of the day, maybe today we will start to see proper moves, but I'm still expecting a continuation of that buy. Why? Because the news were not actually in favor of the dollar, so which means the likes of gold, they will end up going up. But just because they will be going up, it doesn't really mean that we're not going to have those reversals. I think the market might come back here just to retest before we see a very nice push to the upside. I'm expecting something like that to happen. So yeah, we will see if maybe the market will be giving us something. So we did smash this one also. That is another signal we smashed. So now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? On US30, guys, we are on a very nice uptrend. You can see that we are coming from a nice downtrend structure. Now we are going on this nice uptrend. Yes, something that you should actually see, that we don't really have proper support area, but we see that the market is going up. Yes, that's normal. We can still focus on the horizontal structures, but we know that one way or another, the market will end up giving us a nice reversals, and at the end of the day, we can easily connect that. But now, what we see there, to me, it's like we will be forcing to draw that support line. At the moment, we just have to just focus on this resistance support. As long as we know that we're going up, that is good. That is actually very good. So don't force to draw that line. Maybe you might try to draw it, and maybe it might make sense, but don't force it, right? So I feel like I don't really have to have that. So you can see our structures like this. It's been going up. We had some supports, resistance. The market kept pushing up. We can see the market was just consolidating there. And you know what I like is we did not even just jump on the market before the news. We did wait for the news. The market went up. I said buy. Guess what? The market was very closer to there. Take profit, but the market took time, around maybe 20 minutes, before we see a very nice push. But at the end of the day, we did smash that. And I think this was also on our live session yesterday, as we are trying to get back on our live session, right? So that was obvious. We are still bullish. So on Nasdaq, we are still quite similar structure. We have our lower support there, very far, by the way. So the market is still on this nice aggressive bullish. Yes, there is a room for the market to reverse nicely so that we can have this proper support. But here on Nasdaq, it's fine because we have something like that. So you can see we had a buy. The market is still floating in that profit, which means we're eating. For those who want to be part of the team, you know what to do. I will be placing my prices here, or just join my free signal group. You will find everything in there. So yeah, I'm still bullish, but today we'll have to relax here and there so that we can get better structures before we jump in. So now we are on S&P 500. What's really happening? We can easily see that yes, the market is being also giving us quite similar structures as Nasdaq, US30. They both correlate or positively correlating. Most likely we're gonna get quite similar structures, not the same, but quite similar. But today we are on this nice uptrend. We are uptrending, and we can see that we don't really have aggressive reversals. That shows us that we are on an aggressive bullish move. And yeah, we are still floating in that profit. I told them to lock, or maybe they can close, because we are eating. Almost every signal that we send, we were just eating. So for those who want to be part of the team, they know what to do. You can just check these screenshots here, our pamphlet. you can just join whatever that you want to join. We also have mentorship, and we have that special which ends this weekend also, for 3 months, $95 if you want to learn. So let me know if you want to be part of the team. So for now, thank you very much. I will see you on the next one. Bye.